Sairam students, welcome back. Today we are going to do EVS 1 Geography 6th chapter Rules are for everyone revision session part 2. Before that, let's take a short recap what we have done in our previous revision session. We have done introduction, need to obey rules, then changes in rules for the society. And now we will start with social customs. We follow many customs and traditions in our lives. We follow those traditions by observing our mother, father, grandparents, and other relatives. When students, we follow the traditions from one generation to the next generation as we observe our mother, father, grandparents, and other relatives, and we follow many customs and tradition in our lives. Okay. There are several good customs and traditions in our society. We celebrate festivals together. We welcome guests who visit us and are hospitable to them. So, we celebrate festivals together and we welcome the guests who visit our houses and are very hospitable to them. Okay. Then there are several good customs and tradition in our society. Okay. Next, many of our customs enable us to maintain the balance of nature. We express our love and gratitude towards animals. The values of non-violence and peace have been a part of our social life since ancient times. This means students, we express our love and gratitude towards the animals, and many of our customs enable us to maintain the balance of the natures, and the values of non-violence and peace have been a part of our social life since ancient times. Okay. Even so, there are some traditions and customs that are not desirable. They are not beneficial for our society. For example, caste distinction. This means, students, there are some traditions and customs that are not so desirable and they are not even beneficial for our society. For example, caste distinction. Okay. Next, because of this, a divide has been created in society. It has given rise to inequality. Untouchability was an inhuman and unjust custom. Means, because of the caste distinction, a divide has been created in our society and it has given rise to inequality also. Untouchability was an inhuman and unjust custom. Okay. Then the Constitution of Independent India abolished the custom of untouchability. Many times laws have to be made to abolish unjust customs. Means many a times laws have to be made to abolish unjust customs, and the Constitution of Independent India abolished the customs of untouchability. Okay. In our country, customs such as sati and child marriage were abolished by making laws that banned them. The law that banned the use of magic for cheating people was first enacted in Maharashtra. Receiving a dowry has been banned by law. Okay. This means, students, the law that banned the use of magic for cheating people was first enacted in Maharashtra, and receiving a dowry has been banned by law. Okay, and in our country, customs such as sati and child marriage were also abolished by making laws that ban them. Okay, then wrong customs and traditions cause the neglect of some sections of society. They have no access to education. Therefore, they do not get opportunities of development. Means some wrong customs and traditions cause the neglect of some sections of society, and they have no access to education. Therefore, they do not get any opportunities of development. Okay. Then they have no means of livelihood. Therefore, they have to face poverty. Poverty and lack of education are the two big obstacles in our society. So, students, poverty and lack of education are two big obstacles in our society, and they have no means of livelihood. Therefore, they have to face poverty. Okay. We can only make progress together if we get rid of this obstacles. Means if we get rid of this all obstacles, we can only make progress together. Okay. Then see, these are the pictures of our social issues. You can see illiteracy, superstition, then child labor and child marriage. Okay. Next, protecting our environment. Just as laws are necessary to maintain equality and justice in society, laws are also required for the protection of the environment. We are dependent on nature in many ways. So students, we are dependent on nature in many ways, and because of it, just as laws are necessary to maintain equality and justice in society, laws are also required for the protection of the environment. Okay. Then, most of our needs are fulfilled by nature. Natural resources should be available in enough quantities for the needs of our future generation. Therefore, we must conserve this natural resources. We must use them carefully. This means, students, we must use the natural resources very carefully. Therefore, we must conserve these natural resources. Okay, and natural resources should be available in enough quantity for the need of our future generation, because most of our needs are fulfilled by nature. Okay, so students, what we have learned? We have learned social customs and protection of environment. Okay, and now next we will do activity. Fill in the blanks are given. See, statement is given with the blank and 4 options are given. You are going to choose the correct option. So first is, many of our customs enable us to maintain the dash of nature. A, balance, B, rule, C, development, and D, laws. So what will be the answer? A, balance. Many of our customs enable us to maintain the balance of nature. Okay. Now the next. We express our love and dash towards animal. A, hate, B, respect, C, gratitude, D, care. And what will be the answer? C, gratitude. We express our love and gratitude towards animals. Okay. So that's all for today. Students, now your exams are coming. So you're going to study well for your exams. Okay. Sai Ram. Thank you.